大家好, ich bin Dim Sam und ich mache einen Working Holiday in Hongkong. Willkommen zurück zum zweiten Teil meines Vlogs über das Art in the Park Festival. Nachdem wir uns im ersten Teil die vielen kreativen Bastelstationen angeschaut haben, geht es jetzt richtig los mit der Parade und ihren riesigen, kunstvoll gestalteten Puppen. Bleibt dran, denn es wird bunt und beeindruckend.
Flexible EVA material and decorated with African tribal patterns. Look at their wonderful long arms. Give them a wave, maybe they'll wave from Wanshan Catholic Primary School. Made using paper craft techniques and environmentally friendly sugarcane straws, the delicate transparent headdresses are a lot less heavy than the bulky
動畫獅子王嘅經典樂曲《Circle of Life》，大家係咪都好欣賞佢哋可以唱出歡迎所有演員上台？中文版嘅係 Chloe、Herman 同埋 Lawrence， 英文版就有 Alexander 嘅唔止係我哋年輕嘅舞蹈員，仲有呢一隻跳舞的長頸鹿，呢套嘉年華服裝。
This costume was created by artist Lok Sang. Lok said this about his work. Although the giraffe has a long neck and legs,
由非洲沙漠嚟嘅鴕鳥啊！聖羅薩書院嘅同學喺藝術家溫俊師指導底下，用撐公牛混合服飾製作嘅形式，為大家帶嚟呢一種世界上最大嘅鳥類。佢哋同真實嘅鴕鳥係一樣高㗎。犀牛以超現實嘅形式帶佢嚟到渣打藝趣嘉年華。犀牛嘅頭仲可以上下喐動，好靈活㗎。
to 6,000 pounds, almost as much as 38 human male adults. This giant rhino puppet was created by artist Paul Chan and the students from Shuntak Fraternal Association Seawood Wu College, and its ability to shapeshift and adapt to Earth's climate.
綠色嘅草蜢大家就可能見得多啦。有冇見過好似呢一隻以金屬色系為主、充滿科幻感嘅草蜢呢？喺藝術家何思力大力底下，賽馬會體藝中學嘅同學以時裝設計嘅概念。
This futuristic, metallic-coloured giant grasshopper puppet was created by artist Clara Ho and the students from the Jockey Club TE. It gives her an air of mystery and authority, sitting on a branch with a small... Don't you think it makes them look like superhero snails with special visual powers?
樹或者係荔枝樹上面吸食樹汁。
Have you ever seen one in real life? These pretty giant bugs have long noses, perfect for drinking the sap by Japanese Gundam robots. Although it stands nearly 4 meters tall, the mantis is relatively light and easy to move. Its body is made of translucent material and all its body parts are removable.
香港有紀錄嘅蜻蜓品種有超過130種，唔知包唔包括以下出場嘅金屬系蜻蜓味呢？
And the students from HKTN Wonchun Lai War Memorial School
就係藍鯨啊！由藝術家謝志明帶領名額續巡遊嘅支持機構活動先可以順利舉行咋。
This magnificent giant whale puppet is 6 meters long. Despite its size, the puppet is very flexible, can open and close its mouth. The eye-catching yellow dots on its back are inspired by Mexican folk art designs. What an eye-catching design! We would like to take
大家唔好俾魔鬼魚呢個名嚇親啊！佢哋其實好溫順㗎。
Upcoming dancers from the dance piece Marine. It was choreographed by Dan Wong. Marine takes inspiration from the world of sea life and the profound connections we share. Anglerfish. These deep sea creatures might be some of the scariest looking living things on the planet. These vibrant costumes were created by artists.
大家睇下，係一隻大翼龍穿梭時空嚟到渣打。
It takes a lot of skill to control them. Do you think this pterosaur could still take flight? They are handcrafted with decorative patterns in cool colours.
只係佢哋嘅骸骨，而唔係真身啊！
What do we have here? A group of growling Smilodons. They were created by artist Molly Wong and the students of True Light. Bony skeleton bodies are made of corrugated board painted with black and white patterns.
你哋知唔知道，原來穿山甲條脷
It's used to pull out tasty termites and ants from their holes. Sadly,
佛教大雄中學嘅同學用竹篾同埋有穿透性同立體感嘅布製作咗呢一隻北極熊大木偶。北極熊係現存體型最大嘅熊，但係全球暖化，佢哋近年面臨嚴重嘅生存危機。希望大家都可以愛護地球，唔好令北極熊成為下一個絕種嘅生物啊！嘅同學仔以亞洲紙鷂常見嘅顏色同埋元素。華麗嘅亞洲紫藝風火烈鳥隆重登場，火烈鳥象徵自由、
and that they often mate for life. Maybe this gorgeous creature will find its partner at the carnival today.
各位中華基督教青年會小學嘅同學喺藝術家鐘美美姐姐帶領下，以半立體風箏作為靈感，用巨型面具方式呈現呢。
Were made by artist Michiko Naka and the students from Chinese YMCA Primary School. They took inspiration from traditional
想貓頭鷹大風箏呢一套專業嘉年華公
students' creativity.
睇下，係一隻極具氣派、氣質高貴嘅大鶴飛緊嚟啊！呢一隻專業大偶係由藝術家何卓嘉創作。
Was created by artist Gaga Ho. The design takes inspiration from different Southeast Asian art forms, including traditional Indonesian wayang puppets.
So, das war's für heute vom Art in the Park Festival. Die Paraden und riesigen Puppen waren wirklich beeindruckend und besonders gut fand ich auch, dass die Moderation sowohl auf Englisch als auch auf Kantonesisch gemacht wurde. Wenn ihr genauso viel Spaß dabei hattet wie ich, dann lasst doch gerne ein Abo da, um keine weiteren Vlogs zu verpassen. Ansonsten danke fürs Zuschauen, Solgin, und bis zum nächsten Vlog.